Hello and welcome back to Arch Zenith. I'm so glad you're here with me today. You know, there's something truly magical about walking into a home that feels elegant, timeless, and effortlessly sophisticated. It's that feeling when everything just comes together. The soft glow of candlelight, the delicate details that catch your eye, the warmth that seems to wrap around you like a favorite blanket. It's the kind of space that makes you want to slow down, breathe deeply, and simply be present. But here's what I've learned over the years. Creating that kind of atmosphere doesn't require a massive budget or a complete home renovation. It's not about filling your space with expensive designer pieces or chasing the latest trends. True elegance, the kind that stands the test of time, comes from something much more accessible. It comes from intentionality, from thoughtful choices, and from understanding that beauty often lives in the smallest, most understated details. In today's video, we're exploring 10 elegant home styling ideas that won't cost you a fortune. These are the kinds of touches that can transform an ordinary room into something special, that can make your everyday life feel just a little bit more luxurious, a little bit more refined. Whether you're working with a tight budget, love the thrill of thrift store finds, or simply believe that sustainable, mindful living and beautiful design can coexist, this video is for you. So go ahead and pour yourself a cup of tea or coffee, get comfortable in your favorite spot, and let's spend some time together discovering how to bring that timeless, vintage-inspired elegance into your home. Let's begin this journey together. Segment 1. Delicate china and teacups. You don't need to invest heavily in china to achieve a luxurious feel. Hunt for vintage pieces at thrift stores or embrace the charm of mismatched sets featuring soft florals or gilded accents. Displaying these treasures on open shelving or using them for tea time instantly adds sophistication to your home. A single beautiful teacup can make a statement. Style them on a decorative tray or inside a glass cabinet for that classic, curated look. These small gestures create an atmosphere of refinement, proving that elegance often comes from the simplest, most meaningful touches. Segment 2. Vintage-inspired floral arrangements. Fresh or artificial flowers arranged with a vintage sensibility can bring romance and polish to any room. Stick with soft, muted colors like dusty pink, cream, or sage green for an elegant color story. Display them in second-hand vases or vintage pictures to keep costs down while adding authentic character. Go for loose, natural arrangements that feel organic and unforced. Combining dried botanicals with fresh blooms adds interesting texture and makes your arrangements last longer. This effortless approach refreshes your space while maintaining that timeless vintage charm, proof that elegance is about intention, not expense. Segment 3. Decorative trays for organization. A stylish tray can turn scattered items into a beautiful vignette. Use vintage silver, glass, or mirrored trays to corral perfume bottles, candles, or trinkets. This simple trick adds structure and elegance, making everyday objects part of your home's aesthetic narrative. Browse flea markets or online vintage shops for unique finds. A bit of patina or wear only adds to their charm. Strategically placed on a dresser or coffee table, a single tray can serve as a polished focal point that brings affordable sophistication to your space. Segment 4. Luxurious window treatments. Beautiful curtains can completely change the feel of a room without requiring a renovation. Opt for flowing linen or plush velvet to add texture and richness. Floor-length panels that puddle slightly create drama and make ceilings appear higher, all while staying budget-friendly. Layer different fabrics for added dimension. Try combining sheer curtains with heavier drapes for visual interest. Quality textiles can often be found second-hand, or you can upcycle existing fabric. With just a few yards of the right material, your windows become a statement of effortless elegance. Segment 5. Soft linen and lace textiles. Linen and lace bring instant romance and old-world charm to any space. Whether it's table linens, cushion covers, or throws, these fabrics add beautiful texture and softness. Stay with neutral palettes. Think ivory, soft beige, or pale pink for a serene, cohesive look. Blend lace details with simple linen pieces to marry vintage romance with contemporary minimalism. Even the smallest addition, like a lace-trimmed napkin or linen placemat, brings a touch of refinement. These delicate elements remind us that true elegance often lies in the quiet, thoughtful details. Segment 6. Statement lighting with vintage flair. A vintage-style chandelier offers incredible impact for the investment. Search second-hand marketplaces for crystal or glass fixtures that catch and reflect light beautifully. Even a modest-sized piece can completely transform your space, creating ambience that works with both traditional and contemporary interiors. If authentic crystal feels out of reach, consider faux crystal or acrylic alternatives. What matters most is how you use the piece. Hang it over your dining area or in an entryway to create instant drama. This proves that creating an elegant atmosphere isn't about spending more, it's about choosing wisely. Segment 7. Metallic accents in brass and gold. Warm metallic touches bring understated glamour to any room. Update cabinet hardware, switch out lamp bases, or reframe artwork with brass or gold finishes. These small changes introduce vintage sophistication while remaining incredibly budget-friendly. Whether you prefer bright polish or aged patina, both styles add warmth and visual richness. Combine metallic elements with natural materials like wood or stone for balance. These subtle golden glows give your home that elevated feeling without requiring major renovations or significant spending. Segment 8. Ambient candle glow. A beautifully fragranced home always feels more luxurious. Select affordable candles in attractive vessels or display them in vintage candle holders from thrift shops. Scents like sandalwood, rose, or warm amber create an atmosphere of sophisticated tranquility. The soft flicker of candlelight makes any space feel more welcoming. Group candles of varying heights together for visual depth and enhanced ambience. This simple, affordable practice turns ordinary evenings into moments of peaceful luxury, a reminder that elegance can begin with something as simple as a flame. Segment 9. Restored vintage furniture. You don't need genuine antiques to achieve vintage elegance. Shop second-hand for pieces featuring graceful curves, ornate legs, or weathered finishes. With some light restoration, perhaps sanding or a coat of paint, these finds become timeless showpieces without the premium price. Blend these vintage discoveries with contemporary pieces for an eclectic, layered aesthetic. This mixing creates visual depth and authenticity. Each refurbished piece carries its own history. demonstrating that beautiful design and sustainable choices can work hand in hand, and that style doesn't require a fortune. Segment 10: Vintage Silverware and Serving Pieces. Elegant silverware and serving items bring instant sophistication to your table. Search estate sales or online shops for tarnished sets that just need some care. A good polish reveals their beauty, transforming them from forgotten objects into treasured heirlooms that add character to your home. Don't save these pieces for special occasions. Use them daily. Combine polished silver with linen napkins and candlelight for a nostalgic, romantic dining experience. It's an affordable way to weave history and elegance into your everyday routine, reminding us that refinement is about how we live, not how much we spend. And that's it. 10 elegant styling ideas that prove luxury is about creativity and intention, not your budget. With a thoughtful approach and genuine care, your home can feel as graceful and timeless as any high-end interior. If you found value in today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Vintage Nook for more inspiration on creating cozy, elegant spaces. Drop a comment below. I'd really love to know which idea resonated with you most. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Until we meet again, stay inspired, stay elegant, and keep finding beauty in the everyday moments of life.